Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya, Uchanza Shikhar Age, Vijaya Shankar, Hakap Penyotri Unai Lur Arajar Apusan, Ulale Jurip ya ke Tirot Singh Memorial Civil Hospital Mairang, Komisi Bintah ke Jemput Din, ya ke Swaj Nari Sashak Parivar Abhiyan, Blap Lepat Bahadu Menteri Rambadu Keri, Narendra Modi, Hakap Penyotri Unai Lur Arajar Apusan. Bat kaban kod hak artri urusau arajar apusan kepada kesngi kha jo Mahatma Gandhi. Hakani kesngi noloka jingpin shah loka swach nari sashak parivar abhiyan ulat ulas samru iki sanitary pads bat kejing bam taimet shiki samla lot bat kilong kemi ba armet.
That too particularly younger generation. If at all we do not tackle these issues, because 10% of the community in Meghalaya, I think our Commissioner and Secretary also say okay to my statement here. They are going to accept it. 10% of the community, they are suffering out of drugs here. Whether I'm right? 10% of the overall community. It is not a joke. It is not a small thing. Ultimately, it is whose responsibility? Head of the community, head of religious heads, community leaders. It is not only officers' responsibility. You have to take care of our children. And in the statement I make it and I finish my speech and I come to you people. You see, the major problem, either drug issue or AIDS, 75% of the generation, if at all they are involved in these issues, they are from the broken families. So such issues how to tackle. We are also seriously thinking. I think another 4 years I am here, we have to do something in this way. We are thinking. These are the issues. I was supposed to tell before you people. And up to 2nd of October, this Swastanari and Shashakt Parivar Abhiyan is on. I request all the female community, women community to involve this medical camp, medical checkup, take benefit out of this actual scheme. This is what I was supposed to request you people so that I had come here. But you have been conducted the program here very systematically. So this credit goes to district administration. And after 2nd of October, if at all we are going to report it back to the Union government, that to particular Health Department of the Government of India, and even to the Prime Minister office, your district, before I come here, enter into this building, our Commissioner and Health Secretary told that in all the issues you stand first, particularly health issues. This is a model hospital. This is what he told me. In the model hospital, this is what he told me personally. But in this issue also, the way how you have been conducted medical camp, the way how you have been taken up this scheme, in that issue also, in Meghalaya, particularly this district should stand first. That's what I expect from you people. And after seeing this environment here, the commitment and concern of the officers here towards a common man, I feel and I think it is also not a big thing for you people. If at all you mind, definitely you can achieve it. Let that credit goes to you people. And who stands number 1? Who stands number 2? Who stands number 3? Myself and our Chief Minister and Health Minister, all the state level officers, Definitely we call you people to Rajbhavan. We are going to invite you people to Rajbhavan. We are going to honor you people on behalf of the entire state government as well as Rajbhavan. You are going to be honored. You are going to be honored. That's what I assure you. So in that way you take up this issue, which is being introduced by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country, carry it to everybody and take and give justice to this women community.
Take care of this baby. One more baby is there.
Hey, up, ruko. Schwaba finchet da kajuk shi kajuk ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up schwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limbaka ruko kakot kakya pat kamariang rukan ktasyo.
Pin riu squat ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa ngidon ki kan tien la jong belai pat puri bat penduk ya la kak tien la jong kum kan nuksa kak tien barikor kamut arts hakak tien pareng kak tien lari tipat kamut culture kumta ya ka arts and culture ngiyo da ka tien khasi barikor bat lariti ki balong ru ki tien ban ka teng khon u barikor ka lariti lapan mi da ka pati CTV naga menta ka jingmentoi upai ba